Find out how much people spend on food, how much people make, and more using PolicyMap. To get to PolicyMap, go to the Llama Library website, click on Resources, All Online Resources, then P for PolicyMap. Or go to go.hawaii.edu/MJT to go directly there. In the location field, type in a location you want to search, for example, a zip code. This area with the orange border is 96815. Use the mouse or the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out. Let's start by looking at consumer spending. Go to Incomes and Spending, Consumer Spending Habits, Food Away from Home. We're now looking at the average annual amount spent per household on food away from home as of 2022. Clicking on the I button will give us more information about the data. The darker areas are where households spend more each year. Hover over each area to get the actual numbers. We're looking at census tracts right now. We can change to zip code if we like, but I'll keep it as census tract for now. If all the colors look too similar, you can adjust the ranges. Try switching to map extent to readjust based on the data on the map, or manually adjust the ranges. To save a screenshot, click on the Print button, then adjust the map as needed, and export. To cite the map, click on the Quote button. We were just looking at the amount spent per household, but how large is each household? Go to Demographics, Households, Household Size, Average Size. Household sizes are smaller in Waikiki, 1.58 people on average. Compare that to neighboring areas. Let's now look at age. Under Demographics, Age, we could see if our area has many young children 4 and under. There aren't as many here compared to other areas on the island. Going back to Demographics, Age, we can also look at under 18. There aren't many in Waikiki. Next, how about race? Go to Demographics, Race, Predominant Race. Hover over each area to see the predominant racial group. It might be interesting to zoom out to look at other areas around the island. Next, let's look at income. Go to Incomes and Spending, Income, Household, All Households. The average household income is high around the Diamond Head area. At last, let's look at market segmentation data. Go to Curated Collections, Market Segmentation Data from Claritas Prism Premier. Prism Premier classifies every U.S. household into one of 68 consumer segments, 11 life stage groups, and 14 social groups. Let's select Predominant Segment. Hover over a geographic location or click to view the top 10 segments for a location. To learn more, click on a segment and it'll redirect you to the Claritas site, which provides a detailed segment profile. Take some extra time to explore the other categories to find other interesting insights. If you have questions, reach out to a librarian for help.